Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, then welcome back. So today we are standing in my mudroom and it is just kind of bland. We moved in our home about a year ago. No, I'm wrong. We moved in our home less than a year ago because we officially moved in the first weekend the last weekend in May. So we're a little under a year, but I have yet to really do anything with my mudroom. As you can see behind me, we just have some coats on the hooks. I put one picture up there and that's it. I have a rug, we got a lot of shoes in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned out and then we're gonna spruce it up. So if that's something that you wanna see, then make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I got a stain right there where I'm trying to wipe and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is getting on my nerves. I've tried everything to get that stain off and it won't come off. So if you guys know something that I can use to get that little stain off, please let me know. So I wanted to show you guys, I got this clock that I thought was really cute. These things came from Walmart and I saw somebody else with trying to do showing Walmart, what was in Walmart as of for spring, and it says our house is lived in, it's not for show. If you don't like it, the mess, you know where to go. And I thought this was perfect for my home because I always say I like my house to look lived in, and that is what it is. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do one picture and a piece here and then one picture and a piece there. I think that's what I'm gonna do to even up the wall. What y'all think? I think that's the way I wanted to do. Okay, so let's get this going. Okay everybody, so this is the finishing touch. So basically what I did was I hung the two pictures and the clock. I already had this piece right here. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, and that's Psalms 118:24. And then I hung the other picture and the both pictures here on the other side. I added two pillows. So this is the first pillow. It says hope to have, belief, desire to trust in life's plan. And then I just have a regular black and white pillow. I added a plant and a stand. The plant, I'm gonna take that tag off, you guys. I just wanted to see if I like it there. But the plant I got from Walmart, and the stand I got from the Dollar Spot in Target. And then of course I got the rug from Walmart. And so that's it.
Hey everybody, so editing Tamika coming in with some updates. So since I have completed this video, my dog has chewed off 2 tassels off of that pillow. I moved the plant and the stand to the other side of the room. I also added a mirror to this wall on the left instead of another stand like I was explaining that I wanted to do. I actually just ended up adding a mirror. I'm gonna also put the shoes back in there, and I'm also going to add I think some greenery up top where that sign is, the scripture is. I want to add 2 greenery faux plants up top. I think that would really be cute, and then this space would be complete in my opinion. And I'll come back and give you all a full update when I finish with my spring cleaning videos.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I know it's still a little plain Jane, but again, this is not what do they call it? It's not a race, it's a sprint. So I'm just taking it step by step, and I'm adding pieces here and there as I can. I'm not trying to, you know, unfortunately a lot of times we try to outdo each other, and that's just not me. I'm gonna go piece by piece, and I found these few little pieces at Walmart because your girl like a good deal. Okay, so thank you again. You guys have a great weekend and be safe. Bye.